What is up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES. I've got here the Ultratech from Marfione Custom Knives and blue Mosaic Damascus from Vegas Forge. They're doing some killer Damascus right now. Blue anodized hardware, pops on this black hefted handle, bronze pocket clip. Really cool blue button with the bronze. Hard to operate with gloves on. Alright guys, Ultratech from Marfione Custom Knives, blue Mosaic Damascus. I have one of these. It is listed right now. eknives.com 423-525-9477. Serial number 2. Thanks guys.